Talking about 64-bit computing, AMD released its Athlon 64 chip, while also Apple was working on a different solution for the 64-bit problem, the G5 PowerPC processor. One among these devices is the iMac G5. The style is similar to the following first-generation Intel iMac. The processor was available in 1.6 to 2.1 GHz speed. It had maximum 2 and 2.5 GB of RAM. Thanks to the 64-bit processor, now finally more than 2 GB of RAM were available. Also SATA and DDR2 memory upgrade thanks to the new features. It had two different screen sizes, 17-inch LCD 1440 by 900 and 20-inch LCD 1680 by 1050. This will be standard resolution also for following Apple displays, also on mobile. Another niche product using the G5 chip was Apple Xserve. Like the PowerMac G5, it used dual G5 970fs processor clocked at 2 and 2.3 GHz. It maximum supported 16 GB, but only the previous DDR RAM version. It featured 2 Gigabit Ethernet, 2 64-bit PCI slots, 2 USB 2.0, 2 FireWire 800, 1 FireWire 400, and 1 RS-232 serial port. I don't know why some people would like to use this machine on daily use, but it could be useful as a communication bridge for older machines or a crazy PowerPC Minecraft server. Guess why Apple never made a PowerBook G5 and Xbox 360 and PS3 went hotter than hell? The answer: PowerMac G5. It was available both as a single processor or dual processor. Dual processor required liquid cooling for optimal performances. It was produced between 2003 and 2006. The newest version had available 16 GB of RAM like the Apple Xserve G5, but it was upgraded to DDR2 specifications like the newer version of the iMac G5. Since the processor is pretty powerful, less powerful than Core 2 Duo, but more powerful than Pentium 4, just to give you an idea in the Intel world, and memory is plenty even for 2025 needs. You could swap the graphics card using an external power supply if it needs a more powerful one, and doing various experiments with Linux like Action Retro did on his YouTube channel. A very good YouTuber if you like vintage Macs.